This is State Route 32 between Water Valley and Bruce, Mississippi. This road was never built for the amount of traffic that it gets. It's probably one of the longer FDR projects that's been done not only in Mississippi, but throughout the Southeast. On this job, we're running a Wirtgen WR 250, and we also have Hamm vibratory rollers, a pad foot and a smooth drum. And with the compaction that you get with the Hamm vibratory rollers, you only need 2, you don't need more than that.
The WR, if you're cutting slopes, you can slope it this way or that way, right or left. I like the water system on it. It's got the side shift cab where you can do stuff. It's easy to operate.
The mill machine is definitely easier to learn because it has the 4-wheel steer, it has cameras all over it, it has tools inside the cab that not only help you with learning, but to help you safety-wise, seeing what's around you. You know, these roads get narrow. They're not all the time wide like this where we have all these shoulders. And that's what I like about that machine, is it will warn you. As soon as you start getting so much, about 8% slope, it's screaming at you.
The pad foot rollers really get you that deep compaction. With extra depths, 9 inches, 10 inches, you know, you really need that pad foot to get that deep compaction. And the one issue that we never have is getting compaction. We pass compaction 100% of the time.
Full depth reclamation, you go in, you chew up the asphalt, you mix your asphalt in with your subgrade, and then you determine what poundage of cement you put in. You'll spread it, and then you'll mix it all together and compact it, put it back on grade.
What FDR offers for a project such as State Route 32 is you have a deteriorated roadway that has base failure throughout. For a very cost-effective, fast fix, we can back up the next day, fix those small areas, and then still move forward with production, therefore saving time and money and creating a better end product. That's fast, that's efficient, and it gets Mississippi Department of Transportation more bang for their buck.
Typically on a lot of MDOT projects, we view the projects and find what we call base failures. And you have to saw cut these, cut them out, get your truck in there, haul it off, and then wait on asphalt to be brought in, and you put it in lifts, and these things take so long and the bid goes so high on those pay items. If we could get this process, which is a continually moving forward process, you already have everything there on site and you're moving straight forward and you're moving on along. And the money that the state of Mississippi is going to save is phenomenal.
What I usually tell people is I get to do a job one time. A lot of contractors and companies, they'll be on a project multiple times throughout their career. When we go do a project, that is more than likely the only time for our entire career that we will be on that project, because this is a lifetime repair.